Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be reviewing this foundation by Dior. It's the Diorskin Nude Air Nude Healthy Glow Ultra Fluid Serum Foundation. It comes in 30 milliliters and it costs $53 or 39 euros. It comes in 10 different shades, the lightest being the ivory, the 010 I believe, and the darkest will be the 060 mocha. I have the second lightest shade and this is the 020. It's a liquid foundation. It says under formula made with oils that evaporate instantly. The talc-free Diorskin Nude Air formula deposits an undetectable film of makeup on the skin. It's high precision, a dropper easily delivers exactly the right amount. So in other words, if you look for a no makeup, then this foundation it's the best for you. It also says day after day all the benefits of a breath of pure fresh air for your skin. And as for its makeup finish, it's a weightless velvety freshness. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be testing, and I do believe this video is going to be a little bit longer than I usually do because I want to try this foundation using different techniques. On the left side of my face I will be using for the first application no primer, and I will blend that with a damp sponge, and then on the right side of my face I will be using a primer and I'll blend that with this brush, but real techniques. Then on the second round of application I will be using again on the left side of my face primer applied with a sponge, and then on the right no primer but with a brush, if that makes any sense. I don't know, I really want to give you an honest review of this product because I mean, let's face it, it costs a lot of money and I don't believe that anyone can just go out there and buy it just for the sake of it. This video is not sponsored. I did bought this product myself. I gave money for it, so I kind of have the feeling that I should be honest with you if it works, how it works. Should you use a primer? Should you blend it with a brush, with a sponge? I'm not going to be using my fingers to apply it just because I don't like doing that. So yeah, you're just going to see a sponge and a brush. So on this part of my face I'll be using some primer. You can use any primer you want. I am using now this one by Estee Lauder, and here it says to shake well. It's really fluid, as you can see, like crazy fluid. So I'm just gonna be applying a bit here on the back of my hand, just a few drops. And then I'll take my brush and then start here on the center of my face. It has a scent actually. Can't really describe it, how it smells, but it smells quite pleasant. And it applies a really smooth, really nice. But if you're looking for a heavy coverage, this foundation it's not going to help you because it's more for a natural coverage. So I don't know if you can see any difference. So this part is, as I said, with a primer and applied with a brush. And on this part now I will be applying it without a primer, and I'll just drop here a few dots and then going in with a sponge. And as you can see, I press that into my skin and it doesn't look bad. The only problem applying it with a sponge is because it is so fluid, it is going to absorb a lot of it. So I believe this is only up to you if you want to use a sponge or a brush or even your fingers, whatever. So there you have it. As I said, this part here is without primer and applied with a sponge, and here it's with primer applied with a brush. And now the next step will be this side with primer. And I'll apply the foundation with a sponge. So this is the part, as I said, with primer now and applied with sponge. And on the right side now I'm going in with a brush, starting the center of my face. So now here you have primer and applied with the sponge, and here no primer applied with a brush. It is overall perfect foundation, if you ask me. I don't really know about the shade, if it matches my neck, but the shade Ivory that they have, the lightest, it was too light for my skin. Way too light. I mean, if I mix maybe the Ivory with the light beige that I have, that I've used right now, it might be better, it might match my neck, I don't know. I haven't tried that in the shop. My thoughts about it. I love it. I love it. I'm really happy with it, with its application, with how it looks. It doesn't have this heavy coverage, this feeling that you are wearing a mask, that you are kind of hiding your face behind a foundation, you know, and it doesn't give you this powdery finish. As they say, it's more of a weightless finish, and it is amazing. And my face, I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but my face has this glow. I liked better this side applied with a brush. It was lighter. Without primer applied with a brush, I do have the feeling it looks a bit heavier. I don't know why. It's just my opinion. It's just how I see it. Overall, I believe I will be using it with a primer and blend it with a sponge. Bottom line, I do recommend this foundation. I mean, if you want something more on the high-end makeup brand, then you should definitely try this one by Dior, the Nude Air. It's just a perfect foundation. It smells beautiful, so amazing, and when you touch your face, it feels like silk. Really smooth, beautiful, nice. And I mean, I'm wearing this foundation now for like 10 minutes, and my face, it's not oily. I mean, you might say right now, in 10 minutes there is no way that your face is going to get oily. Well, trust me, my face will get oily in the first 2 minutes. after I apply a foundation, and this is not happening with this foundation. So yeah, I love it. Probably you will be seeing it on a lot of my videos. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.